Okay, now that we have our project plan, we can also here have a checkbox displaying or not displaying the actual the milestones. We're going to create a plan. Call it as resources. Okay, so that I have this one, and I'm going to type here same as I have here just to be sure. Oops, format cells, here's general. Okay, I'm gonna copy the formula, copy. Okay, and copy for the formula. Okay, I don't need start and end. I don't want this stuff. Okay, I don't want anything of this. We may need something later, but I'm gonna delete this part. I'm gonna delete this. Now we have resources, so we are going to type here, okay, how many hours we need for each one. This is resources. We do with this as plan. Okay, we type some hours here. You can also link the two having the same conditional formatting. Okay, you can say here I have 20 type, so I will continue to type here. For example, I have 50 hours, 60 hours, 20 hours. This is what is needed. Okay, I will fulfill this all, and I will show you in the next video how to do also for the actual. Okay.